Hey guys, it's Ayana Lee here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. This is called the two-strand rope twist, two-strand twist, rope twist, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved it, and you can do this on short hair, short medium length hair as well. That's what I got. But yeah, it's easy, it's quick, and it's not hard at all. So it's very beginner friendly style, I should say. This is one of my go-to styles. I haven't done it in a while, but I truly love the outcome of it. Especially, I'll probably leave these twists in for 2 weeks. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So here I am using the Super Grow hair growth oil. I think it's the extra hold one. I got it off Amazon, and I am going to be applying that to my roots all over. Yes, yes, yes. Girl, get the kitchen. You gotta get the kitchen, okay? Even though it's not going to stay. Still try to get the kitchen, okay? But yeah, now I'm just gonna retwist my hair. Okay, so here I am taking my front piece and wrapping it backwards. So I'm going backwards on the twist out. I can't explain it, but it's better to just look at it. So the one that I retwisted going frontwards, I'm pulling it back to start my twist out, instead of using the second one that is already going front. That's already going the way I retwisted, because then the retwist will come out easier. Like the twist will come out of it wouldn't be a twist anymore. I hope you guys get that. If the two-strand twist comes undone, because I know I explained it very horribly, if the two-strand twist comes undone, then you retwist it the wrong way. And then you can just start over and try to retwist it the right way. Or just watch this video over again. Go back and watch what I just did over again to make it easier instead of me talking. So now I'm using rubber bands on my ends. Sometimes I use one rubber band, sometimes I use two. The rubber bands pop frequently, so I try to use two, so I'm not walking around with my two-strand twist coming out. And that is how it looks. And now I am spraying my hair with my hydration mist, and I'm also sealing that in with my growth oil. Yes, guys, I said my. That means I came out with some products and I've been using it for a year now, and you see how far my hair has grown, how healthy it is. So yeah, I love it. I sell out pretty fast, so if you have not tried it out, I advise you to try it out. At least my hair's feeling amazing and, you know, moisturized. It's just amazing. Okay, the oil isn't too thick, it is nice, and it goes a long way. Okay, you don't have to use too much of it. I just love it. Great smell. And did I say it's organic? Yeah, very organic. Okay, that's what we need. We want that natural. It's also fragrance free. The oil consists of 5 oils, and the hydration mist consists of aloe vera, lemongrass oil, and castor oil. So yes, purchase. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. So as you can see in the front of my hair, my locks are a lot smaller because I wanted my perimeter to not have any breakage due to like larger locks, because that can cause it, when it grows, it can get heavy, and that's pulling on the hair and tugging on the hair. When you pull it back, it's a lot of weight going on there, and that can cause breakage over time. So I wanted it to be a lot smaller so I didn't have to deal with the pulling and the heaviness. But other than that, the rest are very around the same size. It doesn't look bad, especially when it's like this. You can't really tell the difference because I have a lot of locks in my head at that. So I like it. I like the smaller locks in the front and the larger locks around the rest of my head. You can't really tell the difference, like I said before. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. As you saw in the beginning of the clip, I'll probably be leaving it in for 2 weeks. So when the plus thing about this is when you have your hair like this, you get 2 styles, and it like the retwist lasts a little longer, so you don't really have to do too much with it. So you take it out, it's crinkly, that's another style right there. Boom, another 2 weeks, and the next thing you know, you had 4 months. I mean, not 4 months, you had a month. Yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I truly love this style, like I said before. And it's great. This is a great style to wear when you're going on vacation because you're getting in water. Your retwist is going to last. I went to Miami and I had my hair like this, and my retwist lasts. Well, I was at the pool. I mean, not the pool. I was at the beach doing whatever I had to do. Sand, washed my hair at that with these in, and my retwist was like still there, and my hair was still crinkly, and I loved it. But yeah, definitely a style, beginner friendly style. I'm gonna have more videos coming your way. I am about to be back on here a lot and showing you guys so much things that I love about my hair, and even more things than just my hair itself. But yeah, thank you guys for rocking with me and sticking it through with me through my journey. Appreciate you guys.